Hi Felters and welcome to December. This is just a little recap of what we've been doing. Frosty morning walks, beautiful Yorkshire sunshine. We've even had snow over the peaks on the Peak District. I've been doing some commissions. I've also been really pleased with a couple of my horses. Some new additions. Cuddles with my dog. And lovely sunsets. Hi Felters and welcome. It's the 1st of January 2021, so Happy New Year to everybody. This is studio vlog number 2, and I do these vlogs so that people can see if they're interested in setting up their own business, how it would work if you want to set up an Etsy shop, if you were interested in doing a YouTube channel, how much you get paid. So I've set up this vlog, and also just to tell you a little bit about my business and what I've done for the month of December and what I hope to do for the next month. And also it's a really good record for myself to see how things are going. So what's happened? I did do a craft fair. I did quite well on Etsy. I did really well on YouTube, which I'm going to go through in a minute. I'll go through all the figures, but it is the best time of year for making money on YouTube, that is for sure. And I really expect January to be quite a large drop. Also, Etsy is really popular in November. Well, even September, October, November, December are your good months. So I know that come January there will be a huge drop, but I did do really, really well. So we'll go through the figures. So a couple of other things just to go through, and I'm not very good at editing, so I'm really sorry if the clips seem a little bit awkward, but anyway, I'll get better one day. I have entered my Exmoor Pony for the Exmoor Pony Society Centennial, I think you could call it. I can't remember. It's the 100-year anniversary, and that's been entered into their craft show, and they've said that they've got the entry, so I'm also going to donate it to them so that they can sell it to raise money for the society, because I think that'd be really good for him, and I think he looks really good on there, so really pleased with that. I've also started making some more things. I've just done a video on this one. My Etsy shop was really low, so I'm going to start building that up over the next few weeks. It's little tiny things when you're running a business that you never get around to doing. So I finally ordered or made up myself some lovely leaflets that I'm going to put in when everyone makes a purchase. So it says thank you very much, but also it's got care instructions, because that's really important when you sell needle felted items. They're not for children, and you have to be a little bit careful with them. And if like on my horse, he's got lots of mane and tail, you can't take a brush to it or a comb, you just take a little sewing needle. And so I've put lots of advice on there, and then also on the back I've written a little bit about myself and some more pictures, so that's going to go in with every order. But it's things like that that take time. I have to admit that Canva is really, really good for that, and you can get a free version of Canva. I've actually upgraded to pay because it's like £10 a month, so it's not much, and that has helped me produce a really professional leaflet. Other things, my videos were starting to pile up on my phone. I shall do a video on how I edit and create and record my craft channel, but I got a hard drive so I can start storing all my videos, because we never know when YouTube might disappear. Hopefully it won't, but it could do. But at least if I've got all my videos stored somewhere, that's really good. I store them in 2 places, but I had to buy a hard drive and work out how to do all that. What else have we got? Oh yes, in one of my earlier videos I showed this needle felting mat by Annie's, it's ANNIS, Annie's Hand Felted Creations, and she's on Etsy under, I think it's Handmade Creations, and I loved it when I bought it, and so I showed it on one of my videos, and I didn't tell her that I had talked about it, and that video has done really well. It was Mats, Tools and Needles, I think, and yeah, I really love this mat and I use it all the time. And she has been she's had quite a few orders, and what happened is someone told her that it was from my video, and then she contacted me and said thank you because her orders have increased. So I was really happy about that, because I didn't tell her because I didn't think that it would make a difference, but actually her orders have increased. So that was really lovely, and she sent me a mat for free, which was really great. So yeah, thank you very much for that. I have to do lots of cuts because I always forget what I'm about to say. I've also still got that small wool company that has contacted me, so I'm going to get some wool from them and do a video for them hopefully in January. I haven't quite got round to doing that yet because I was finishing off commissions, but that's really good. And I've also started Pinterest because I had a lady contact me on Instagram really politely saying, I think you should start an Pinterest because you get a lot more followers. So Pinterest is a little bit alien to me. I hadn't used it at all. I had looked at it about 6 months ago and thought, it's a little bit too complex right now. But I've had another look at it and I've started. So here we go. Let's see how Pinterest goes. But anyway, with the YouTube channel, I'm just over the moon with it. I think I've got 6,700 and something subscribers, which is, you know, huge. Officially, I only started doing the videos properly about 9 months ago. So thank you very much for watching. It's just incredible. So let's go through the figures for YouTube right now. So here's the YouTube figures, and you can see I had 80 or over 80,000 views in the last 28 days, and the views are what matter, not necessarily how many subscribers. You get paid more the more views you have, although my subscribers went up 2,500. I am at 6,877 and my payment there was £477.88, which is amazing. So let's look at the daily amounts that I earned. The £6.20 is what I get, and the £10.61 is kind of what the advertisers pay. So this is the daily amounts I was being paid. So it went £12.17, started off quite good, dropped down in the middle of the month, and then rocketed up to £28, which is the highest I've ever had. That is for one day's videos. I can also show you Etsy as well. So here we are, the total sales on the right, £231 for the last 30 days. I have had 1,538 views, 691 people visit my shop, and 12 orders. So those two are great. And going through the figures in total. So, and also, I didn't really say this, I should say it properly, because my sales on Etsy were 231, which I just showed you, but actually I've got to take commissions off and cost of materials, so I'd say it's more likely 180. I did a craft fair and I sold 250, which was great considering I didn't have enough good items with me. If I'd have had more Highland cows, I would have sold more, but I was doing commissions, so I just couldn't make everything. So again, I sold 250, but you've got to take off cost of the craft fair, 25, plus materials, so at least down to 200 for that. YouTube was £477.88. Instagram, because I get people contact me separately, was £80, but again take off 10 for costs. And then Amazon affiliates was, which I can't show you the screen for it, but it was £103.08. So in total that was £1,030.96. So that was that's the most I've ever made. So but nearly 500 was YouTube. So it shows you how amazing YouTube channel can be for some small YouTubers. Looking forward to the future, or to this month, what sort of things am I doing? I am definitely, I can't wait to do it. I'm going to do the World of Wool Romeo Rabbit. I haven't done a hair, and they are everyone does such amazing hair, so I'm a little bit scared. So I bought a kit and I'm going to follow the instructions and do it that way. So I might be okay at my horses and my cows and my sheep, but there's certain things that I really struggle with. So I'm really looking forward to doing that, and I'll video that. I am going to finish my dogs as well, and I have got, what else have I got? Oh, another 2 or 3 PDFs. I'm going to do them. I absolutely must. I've got a koala bear to do. I'm going to say it quietly, try and do a greyhound for my daughter for her birthday at the end of January, and I'll probably video that one. And also I've got one, I'm going to get out at least one online horse course. So yeah, I'm going to be busy in January. So thanks for watching, because if you didn't watch, I wouldn't be here doing more videos basically. So really, really big thank you. And I hope you've enjoyed that. If there's anything more that you want to know, do let me know. And any questions in the comments. Happy New Year.